Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I did a video on this on Distort, and somebody questioned how I've lost my flag. I had to redraw it, but how you could distort just the blue. Well, this is a vector flag, so we could go to Object Group and ungroup it, and we could just select the blue, and we can go to Effects and Distort and Displace, and we just did the blue. But a lot of times you might not be able to take it all apart. So let's put that back and let's group it together. Let's make sure it's still grouped together. And it is. So now what I'm going to do is take a rectangle. And I'm going to go from that node to that node and then over to that node. So I've got a rectangle on top of the stars. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to select them both and I'm going to go intersect. What intersect did was take away, I'm going to change my nudge factor. It's only 2 inches, so let's go 3. So I'm going to intersect the stars out, and then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go right here and go back minus front. So this isn't going to be touched, and now I didn't have to move it. Well, it is better. And then go to Effects and Distort and Displace, and then move that back. And you just distort. It's a good question. I really like people kind of helping me think of ideas on how to do things. And, in this case, you could actually distort every other line or whatever you want to do, or just, not do the blue, not distort the blue, but distort the red and give it a totally different look. And then you can take your blue just back and you've got a good sharp. I don't know why you would do either one. I know why you would do this in just some aspects. But anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.